Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today in this video, if you're here and you already watch all my videos, welcome back. If you are new to this video, welcome. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification for the videos to see later on, mostly in the video. So today, if you're already seen the whole title and stuff, we're gonna be learning more about ChatGPT and the AI technology stuff, all that. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so basically what we could do is you get into the ChatGPT website and all that, and then we could see the Get Plus, ChatGPT Plus. So you could see the new chats, search chats, your library, Sora, and then ChatGPTs. And then let's see, we could create an image, summarize text, make a plan, get advice, and more. Surprise me, analyze data, help me write and brainstorm. So today we're gonna be creating some images. Let's see how they would see comparing to other kinds of pictures of AIs. So let's see. So we could create a picture. Okay. So we could put a flying cat. Let's see. Let's see if it'll show flying cats, and we'll compare it to Google's flying cat. So let's see if this loads. Yes or no? Maybe so. Okay, so while we got the picture, we got a flying cat. So we could just search up on Google on flying cats. So flying cats AI. Okay, let's see. So we got some flying cats AI pics. It's pretty cool. Compared to this one, it doesn't really have wings and stuff, so basically just flying cat. I didn't add that much description, but yeah, if you search up flying cat, it would just be like, this one's kind of like the same as this one. Just this one too. Well, this one, yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna be trying a new chat. So we could just click on new chat, and then how about we get advice? Advice on how to basically just grab ChatGPT's interest and all that stuff. I don't think I know. Okay, so basically, let's see, how to study better in middle school or any kind of high school, college, all that. Okay, so basically they're telling me how to visualize all that, think about the mindset on yourself or more of the studies, and then study schedule planner, which I would probably get calendar or a planner, so both of them actually, because it would actually help me a lot. It basically helps me in about middle school, so yeah. Yeah, I'm still in middle school, but basically, yeah, it helps me a lot. Working on stay organized, which means basically just stay organized, just have things in the right place, all that, and then just use study techniques, and then just shows flashcards and all that. If you're stuck, ask a teacher or someone older or someone just big brain than you. I'm just kidding. Everyone's the same thing. Everyone is always smart, all that. And then yeah, you can have study group, which is pretty cool for middle school actually. Middle school, yeah. Just watch tutorials on. I used to watch tutorials a lot on math. It actually helped me sometimes. Take care of your brain. Make sure to sleep well. Yeah, eat brains, all of that. Manage stress and focus. Bonus, set study goals. So there could also be an online planner, which y'all, it's better to keep your things more organized on like paper. If you like want like you could write a lot. Yeah, that's basically more effective. You could like customize it. You could also customize it on like an online planner. Both ways is okay. Both ways is also good too. So yeah. Okay, so next we have new text, new chat. We're just basically just using all the techniques that they tell me. Help me write or surprise me. So you can surprise me. Okay, bananas are technically berries, but strawberries are not. Okay, so bananas are berries, but strawberries are not berries. That's crazy. Okay, let's find another surprise me. So surprise me, ChatGPT. Make sure to surprise me very good, unless you want. Let's see. A locked library? Wait, that's kind of scary. Wait, what? Okay. Yeah, that's kind of scary, guys. Not gonna lie. Okay, so get advice. Get advice. I like the get advice one. I just like it more. Okay, so just take care of yourself. Just make the whole video of take care of yourself. Analyze data and brainstorm. Just brainstorm. Let's see. Okay, so ChatGPT, most people just search it up as like for like a question, like help me think of about an essay, or like help me think of like some kind of point or some kind of like science study and all that. Just help me on reading. If you guys like really wanted to read or something, then yeah. Um, yeah. Let's see. Let's go to library. Yeah, so library just shows all the pictures that you like described. Yeah, it showed your beautiful flying cat actually. I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna save that. Let's see. I'm gonna save that. Or I could share it too. Okay. Okay, so search chats. We could search up chats. Okay, so we could search up all the chats that will show over here that you had searched for. Okay, so help me in school. Let's see if it will help you in school. Let's see. What is the hardest subject? I'm gonna search that up. Okay, so basically advanced math and science courses. Help me in advanced math and science. Okay. So we got algebra, linear, and then like equations. Electricity, chemistry, literally, no. Biology, etc. Okay, so algebra. Let's see, algebra is pretty cool too, actually. I kind of like algebra, actually. Please don't hate me. I love algebra. Okay, so let's go see sorta. I don't know what's sorta. Yeah, explore sorta. Are these like AI stuff? I feel like this is like AI stuff. That's crazy. Yo? Yo? What? Oh my gosh. What are these like people doing? Okay. I don't know how these people search do that. It's also videos. Yeah, basically. This top videos are top. This one's really cool actually. That looks actually real. That looks real too, not gonna lie. That one's really crazy. You can't really tell if it's like AR or not, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. So there's like uploads, you could upload your pictures and maybe people would like them. Not gonna lie. So let's type in real. Let's go to new chats and then real our son real Miffy picture. Okay, so let's see. Why does that actually look scary? Oh, okay. Okay. So it's like, okay. So we got some real pictures of Miffy. AI picture of Miffy. Let's see about that. Let's see. Because if you guys don't know about Miffy, it's like a bunny and all of that. Yeah. Okay, that does not look kind of real. Real AI picture of Miffy. They just put like a scary Miffy, not gonna lie. Let's see. Okay, that's kind of scary too. Okay, so yeah. Okay, let's go search for more. Cheapest but fair clothing stores in New York. Let's see. Goodwill. Okay, Urban Jungle. Housing, Work, Thrift, Street Rack, and just like other. So basically, just like thrifting on all that. Yeah, thrifting's pretty good. Urban Jungle and Housing, Work, Thrift, $10 to $50. Street Rack, $40 average. They really call that cheap. Yeah. So yeah. Mostly it's like called for like thrift because I know it's like kind of cheap and all that. But yeah. Okay, let's type in one more about ChatGPT. What is your secret? ChatGPT. Let's see, let's see. Okay. Interesting. So they're just basically an AI. That's not a real person. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, so basically, I hope y'all like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification if you want to see like tutorials, DIY videos, and all of that, etc. Yeah, basically, I just had fun playing around with ChatGPT. I just searched up some other things, some advice, and some like surprised me some creepy ones, pictures too that kind of looks creepy, but yeah. Hope you all like this video and make sure to subscribe. That notification.